Welcome everyone, let's explore the CeTech GDL series carbon paper from SCI Materials Hub. Featuring an advanced hydrophobic microporous layer, it's designed for your most demanding energy applications. Why choose this series? It combines a robust carbon fiber matrix with a uniform PTFE coating. This guarantees exceptional mechanical stability and perfectly balanced water management. Looking inside a fuel cell, this smart 3D network quickly repels excess water while keeping gas pathways completely open. This makes electrode flooding a thing of the past. It truly delivers on performance. You get ultra-high contact angles to prevent water buildup, paired with extremely low contact resistance to maximize your overall electron transport efficiency. We offer a very versatile range of specs. With 6 thicknesses from 0.12 to 0.3 millimeters, every single model features that crucial microporous layer and PTFE treatment. Where can you use it? It's an absolute game changer for proton exchange membrane fuel cells, advanced water electrolysis setups, and next-generation metal air batteries. It fits them all. When assembling, always wear clean gloves to prevent oil contamination. Make sure to use exclusively sharp tools for cutting, and ensure a tight, uniform compression during cell assembly. Finally, just keep it stored flat in a dry, dark place below 30 degrees. Ready to upgrade your cell performance? Contact SCI Materials Hub today to get started.